Hi, myself Mohammad Russell, a student of Computer Science and Engineering Department from Randapur Shah University, and my ID is 181000107, and I am presenting a video documentation on computer networking for my final examination. Here I am presenting on chapter 4, network access, and I am discussing about physical layer protocols, network media, data link layer protocols, and media access control. Here there is a home router where this is the Ethernet switch port and this is the wide area network port, and this is a router which we use to connect with a laptop or desktop device to use internet. And this is a Wi-Fi range extender. Here it extends the range of Wi-Fi, and this is the physical layer of the encapsulation and de-encapsulation. There a source node comes into the application, then it goes to presentation, then session, then transport, then network, then data link, then physical, and it composed into in a signal, and in the binary bits 101010 that type, and goes to destination node through physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application layer, which this layer is briefly discussed in OSI model. And this is the signal of different type of electrical signal, where we use this 101010 for digital signal, and we know that computer only knows the binary bits, so we use 0 and 1, and this is the physical layer standards when and where the device is invented, and officially RJ45 and the telecommunication cabling standard used by nearly all voice, video, and data networks. And there is RJ45 pinout co-developed EIA by TA in 568, and this is Ethernet 802.3 Ethernet 802.11 wireless LAN WLAN, or 802.15 for Bluetooth, and its standard organization is IEEE. And this is the physical layer fundamental principles, where copper cable, fiber optic cable, and wireless media are used. Here the unit of bandwidth and the abbreviation, and this is the bit per second, and we use this BPS. 1 BPS is equal to fundamental unit of bandwidth, and kilobyte per second, which kbps, 1 kbps equal 1000 bit per second, and megabits per second means mbps. 1 mbps mean 1000 bit per second, and gigabyte per second gbps means 1000 and 1000 bps, and terabyte per second means 1 terabyte 1000 and 1000 bits per second. And this is the throw output of download speed and upload speed of Ethernet of Wi-Fi or one port cable. And this is the type of physical media. Here this is the Ethernet switch port. We used RJ45 for this port, and this is the interface where we use mini USB connector, and this is the management ports, and this is the gigabit Ethernet interference, and this is the USB type A connector. Now I am discussing about network media. For network media we use various type of signal, like as pure digital signal, interference signal, digital signal with interference, and what computer reads. We here see that computer only reads 10110010111101. This is the sequence of a signal, and computer reads that and puts and give us the various output. And this is the copper media, where there are unshielded twisted pair or UTP cable. This is the shielded twisted pair cable, and this is the coaxial cable. In these three cable we use this and this cable for Wi-Fi or broadband connection, and this cable, coaxial cable, is used for our satellite channel cable. And this is the fundamental of UTP cable, and where the UTP cable constructed with outer jacket. This is the outer jacket, and this is the twister pair cable, and this is the color coded plastic code. And this is the STP cable, where this is the jacket, and this is the foil or shelled, and this is a foil shelled, and this is twisted pair cable. And this is the coaxial cable, where this is outer jacket, this is copper shielding, and this is copper conductor, and this is the coaxial connectors for BNCC, N type, F type, and various type of connectors exist. And this is application of copper media safety, where there are various type of copper connected through various devices. And properties of UTP cabling. A UTP cable does not use shielding to counter the effects of EMI and RFI. Instead, cable designers have discovered that they can limit the negative effect of crosstalk by cancellation and varying the number of twister per wire pair. And UTP cabling. This is the UTP cabling. Here the category of UTP cable. We know that there are 4 category of UTP cable, and this is category 3 cable, category 7, category 6, and category 5 cable. And this is the UTP connector. This is RJ45, and we see it into our Wi-Fi connection, where router is connected through the data, the cable with this RJ45. And there are various type of UTP cable, and this is the connection where pair, this 1 and 1 pair means pair 3 makes pair 3, and this 1 and 1 makes pair 1, and this one and this one makes pair 2, and this one and this one makes pair 4. And pair this is the another cable of RJ45, and this makes some pair. Here, testing of UTP cable. Through this device, you can test your cable where it is connected properly or not. And the properties of fiber optic cable. We know that fiber optic cable is highly transparent cable, where long haul network by submarine network we use fiber optic cable. And this is the design of fiber optic cable, where jacket, strengthening material, buffer, cabling, core, etc. is used in this media cable design. And this is the type of fiber media, where you say there are small core, there are glass core, and different type of cores, and its glass coating is 125 mirrors and 125 mirrors, and it is polymetric coating and it is only coating. And this makes a difference between fiber optic cable. And this is the various type of connectors of fiber cable, and SC connector, ST connector, LC connector, duplex, multiple LC connector. And this is testing fiber cable. This is the device of OTDR, optical time domain reflectometer, and this is the bandwidth supported copper media. And this is the wireless that has some area of connecting, and we use this symbol for this is for Wi-Fi, this is for WPS, this is for network, this is for satellite, this is for PC and Wi-Fi, and the various this is for network, and this is also for network. We use this symbol for our wireless media. And there is the types of wireless media, where Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi Max, and which which is standardized by IEEE 802.11, and Bluetooth IEEE 802.15 standard, and WiMAX WiMAX IEEE 802.16 standard, and this is the LAN, and this is the Wi-Fi standard, which maximum speed, frequency, and backward compatible. Where 802.11a, this is the maximum speed of 54 Mbps, and frequency is 5 GHz, and there is no backward compatible. And in this standard there are 802.1180, and this is the maximum speed of 7 Gbps, gigabit per second, which we learned sometimes before, that 1 Gbps means 1000 and 1000 bit per second, and this is the frequency of 802.1180, and it is 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 60 GHz. Now I am discussing about data link layer protocols. Here this is the data link layer, and this is the data link layer sub layer, where network, data link, physical, and data link divided into two layer, LLC sub layer, MAC sub layer, and from this MAC sub layer, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth is the some kind of device we used to for transferring data. The data link layer, in the data link layer, this is the data link layer. Here this is the source, and this is the destination, and this is the satellite. Here source send data, and satellites receive that, and satellite sends this data to the receiver, and they are providing access media. Here this is the video graphic, this is the graphical representation of working to access to media, and this is the formatting of data transmission. Here the data is consist of header and tailer, and the header is here 1010. This is the frame start, and now header consists of frame start, starting type, quality control, and trailer consists of error detection, frame stop, and with these various type of data transmission. And if you want to create a frame, then you have to make this type of header and tailer, and where header is divided, header consists of frame start, addressing, type, control, and tailer consists of error detection and frame stop, where to stop the data transferring. And this is the data link layer standards. And controlling access to the media, here we saw that it is the shared media, where three devices connected into a link and share their files or documents into this system. And this is the physical topology. We hear about physical topology. Common physical wall area network topologies are point-to-point topology, hub and spoke topology, full mesh topology, and we use this topology for sharing data very qualityful. And there is some logical point-to-point topology, and it is half and full duplex, where half duplex only server can send to the switch, and this time switch cannot send anything to the server, and in the full duplex server send the switch, and switch also at the same time sends the server, where servers can receive the same data. And this is the physical local area network topology, star topology, extended star topology, bus topology, or ring topology. And we use this topology to share the media through the data, and sometimes we try to send when I am ready to access our media through one PC to another PC. And this is the continuation based access, and this is the multi-access topology. Here it is the multi-access topology. Here 5 PC is connected into a topology and share their data, and this is a graphical representation of multi-access topology. And this is the control access, and this is the ring topology, where in the ring topology everyone can share any data anytime, anyone. If we want to share any data, then ring topology is best.